If you want to learn how to log into the GoDaddy website builder dashboard quickly and without confusion, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step, from opening the GoDaddy homepage to launching your website editor. This is a great tutorial if you're a beginner, if you're managing a business site, or if you just need to get back into your website builder dashboard fast. And before we begin, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple website tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official GoDaddy homepage. Make sure you're on the correct website so you can sign in safely and avoid any fake login pages. Once the page loads, look up at the top right-hand corner of the screen and click Sign In. This is the main login button that will take you to your account access page. Now GoDaddy will ask you to enter your login details. Type in your username or customer number along with your password. If you've connected your account before, you may also see options to sign in with Google, Facebook, or Amazon. You can use one of those linked accounts if that's how your GoDaddy profile is set up. After entering your information, complete the sign-in process and wait for your account to load. Once you're inside, the next step is to open your products area. In the top right corner, click on your name or profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, select My Products. This section is important because it shows all the services connected to your account, including your website's domains and marketing tools. After that, scroll down until you find the Websites plus Marketing section. This is where GoDaddy displays the website you've created with the website builder. If you manage more than one site, take a moment to find the correct one so you don't open the wrong dashboard. When you locate the website you want to work on, look for the Manage button next to it and click it. This will take you into the site's management area, where you can control your website settings and access the builder. On the pre-dashboard screen, you'll now see an option that says Edit Website. Click that button to launch the live visual builder. This is the main editing environment, where you can update pages, change text, swap images, adjust layout sections, and make design changes to your site. Once the editor opens, you're fully inside the GoDaddy website builder dashboard and ready to start editing. If you were able to follow along, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more step-by-step website tutorials. And that's it. You've now learned how to log into the GoDaddy website builder dashboard and get into your site editor the right way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.